Question number 3 of exercise 2.5 is factorize the following using appropriate identity. And first part of this question is 9x square plus 6xy plus y square. You have to factorize this polynomial using identities. Look at this identity, student. In first and second, right hand side is the expanded form of the left hand side, and left hand side is in the form of factors. If you compare this question with this identity, you can easily see this is the expanded form. Now you have to convert this into factors form. Obviously, in this polynomial all the terms are positive. It means this identity we can compare with this first identity. This question we can apply this first identity. If you have to apply this identity, you have to break all the terms in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. So how we can break this? In first term we want a square, but here is 9x square. How we can write this 9x square as square of any term? If we can write 3x whole square, 3x into 3x we will get 9x square. Similarly, how we can break this last term? This last term is already in square form, y square, and now we will break this middle term in the form of 2ab. Here this 3x is your a and this y is your b. So how we can write 2 into the value of a is here 3x and the value of y is here, b is here y. So the value of a is 3x. We will get the right hand side form. Now we will convert this into left hand side form. Here the value of a is 3x and the value of b is y. So how we can write this? A plus b whole square. In place of a we will write 3x plus in place of b we will write y whole square. 3x plus y whole square. Again we can break this into parts. 3x plus y into 3x plus y. So we find the two factors of this given polynomial. Since the degree of this polynomial is 2, we find two factors. Now the second part of this question is 4y square minus 4y plus 1. Now again you have to check which identity we can use. As you can see, student, this second identity, expanded form a square minus 2ab plus b square, and here the question is also in negative form 4y square minus 4y plus 1. So we will use second identity. Again we have to break this 4y square in the term of whole square. What we can write? We can write 2y whole square. If you multiply 2y by 2y, you will get 4y square. And how can you break this 1? We can write this 1 square. We will get again 1 into 1, 1. Middle term in the form of 2ab, 2. The value of a is here 2y and the value of b is here 1. 2 into a it means 2y, b it means 1. So for this identity, what is the factor form? A minus b whole square. A it means 2y, b it means 1 whole square. 2y minus 1 into 2y minus 1. These are the two factors of this given polynomial. Now the third question. Third question is x square minus y square upon 100. There are only two terms. If you compare these two terms with this identity, a square minus b square equal a plus b into a minus b. This is the expanded form and this is the product form. This form is already given and we have to convert this into product form. For that, first we have to convert this into whole square. X square already in square form. How we can write this into whole square form. Y square, it means y. 100 we can write is 10 square. Here the value of A is x and the value of B is y upon 10. Now the identity is A plus B into A minus B. So we can write this in first bracket x plus y upon 10 A plus B, and in second bracket x minus y upon 10 A minus B. This is the two factors of this given polynomial.